Good morning, my dear friends. Hope everyone is good and safe at home. So after XA exam, so we are started again the online classes for you all. Before going to start the next portion, next lesson, next part of the syllabus, it's very hard and it's very pain. It's very odd to sorry to say that very few of you are seeing the online videos for all subjects. Very few you have written the SA1 exam and FA2 also. And most of the students have not attended even the essay exam online. So I don't know what is going to come to you all in the coming days. But it's very hard to say that you may be having a tough day in coming days. Not even your parents, not even your students, not even you are not serious about the classes. Most of the teachers have been calling to you and attend the online classes, seeing the videos, completing the classworks and getting corrected all the things. But still, you people are not serious. You people are not doing any work. It's very difficult for you all that to say this one, but it's part of our duty to go with the syllabus, to go with the classes, to go with the school and all. So it is up to you. If you are not serious, then nobody is going to help you in the final exams and all. Okay, so keep that part that side only. So by not wasting much time, so today we are going to discuss, we are going to study about the next lesson, that is the Tempest. Okay, that is lesson number 7. After this, you are having only 1, 2, 3 lessons. Hardly you are having 3 lessons. So today we are going to discuss about this lesson. It's very beautiful act. Act is there. It is a drama. It's like a story. Okay, if you have taken part in the school play with the wood, you what some of these theatres term means. Match the following words, column A, column B, into drawing line. So you do at home in this one. Okay, here the William Shakespeare, The Tempest was first performed in 1611. Just imagine, my dear friends, it is act performed in the year 1611. Even after so many years, the play continued to entertain readers and audience with its blend of the consequence, plot, magic, music, humors. Read the following scenes to understand how to play begin. Characters here. Okay, Prospers a rightful Duke of Milan, whose dukedom has been unspread by his brothers new as magic. Okay, Miranda, daughter of Prospers. Okay, Ferdinand, princess of Naples, son of Alcus. Ariel, an airy spirit. Okay, Antonia, Prospers, evil brother, Duke of Milan. Okay, Alonso, king of Naples. Sebastian, okay, Alonso, even brother. Okay, Gonzalo, vice counselor. Bosun, Asolas. So act starts from a ship in a storm. The captain comes in and that talks with Bosun. Captain Bosun, hey, hey, sir. With the help of textbook, you can see this video. It will be very helpful for you. Captain, pipe all the hands, duck. Be quiet about it, or well run. Observe ourselves around. Hurry. He blows his whistles and dashes off. Absalom's kings of Naples came in, and with the substance his brother Ferrando, his son Antino, the Duke of Milan, Gozio, and other passengers. Okay, also no. Bosun, safety where the captain. You are in the way. Keep to your cabins, you are only helping the storm. Be patient, dear fellow. I will when the sea does go, don't get in out way. Do you want us to sink? No. May you choose, you blowing dog. Do some work then, heavy ho, raise the main souls, turn her around. It's no good, oh your knees, it's hopeful. Let's all go down with the kings. So this scene started in the ship where the captain was, okay, taking the seas continuously, and there all the characters came, okay, Sebastian, Golio, Bosun, Antonia, okay, Fernando, Marindo, Ario, Precious. So they were discussing that don't go fast, it is against the storm. We have to go against the storm, not with the help of stone, and you may be going the wrong directions, and soon we may going to dice, we may going to sink, all the things. So these peoples were discussing, and that all the solar sailors says that, okay, it's no good, so on your knees, it's hopeful. Then Antonia says that let's go down with the king. Now act 1 scene 2 is there here. The island in front of Prosper's cave. Prosper's enter fellow by the Miranda and his daughter. Miranda, father, did you magic raise this storm at sea? If so, please make it stop. So Miranda is requesting that, daddy, father, so is it possible to storm a seas with the help of your magic? If so, please make it stop. Okay, Prospers, I have done nothing harmful. I have only done what is best for me. You, my dear, my daughter, who doesn't know anything about where you came from and who are you. That the father is saying, so I have done nothing harmful. I have only done what is best for me. You, my dear, who doesn't know anything about where you come from and where you are. Miranda, I never thought of wanting to know more. That Miranda says that I don't want to know about more about anything here. Then um, Prospero says, it's time I let you know. Give me hand removing my magic cloak. She helps him removing the cloak and he put in the rock. Sit down now, I'll tell you more. Miranda, sometimes you are tried to tell me, but you have always stepped. It's left me wishing you tell me more. Prospers it time now. 12 years ago, I was the Duke of Milan, the powerful prince. Then they both started speaking. Then she said that if you remove my hand, if you release me, I can tell all the stories. Then she immediately removed his things, and he started saying that sometimes you have tried to tell me, but you have always stopped. Means I was always ready to tell you, I was trying to tell you, but you were stopping me. Then it's left me wishing you had tell me more. It's time now. 12 years ago I was Duke Milan and the powerful prince. Okay, this story goes like that, my dear students. So let's read once again this one. Here warm up activity is there. Box 1, box 2 is there. Box office, cast, queue, entry, green room, promoter, properties, wardrobe, wings. An instruction given by director or the stage managed to actors or technicians. A room package where actors can sit and relax or even get ready. The size of the audience, also the place where the tickets are sold. The costumes worn by the actor. The list of characters and the persons played in the part. Small items like sword, etc., that actor carried on the stage. The side of the stage out of the side of the audience where actors stand before making an entry. Someone who sits in the wind and prompts the actors with what to say next. Okay, the point when an actor make an appearance on says. So William Shakespeare's this is act. It was performed in the year 1611. Even after so many years, the play continued to entertain people, readers, audience with its blend of the concerts, plot, magic, music, and Holmes read the following scenes to understand how the play begins. Find the word and express used play relating to sailing and ships. So the scene one starts here. All the characters, okay, are in the ship and the state like this. Okay, so captain start from captain bosom. I sir, pipe all hands of ducks, be quick about it, or well run or self ground, hurry. He blowed his waist and dashed off. Bosun, safety, where the captain, where is the captain? You are in the way. Keep to your cabins. You are only helping the stream. Be patient, dear fellow. I will when the sea does. Go. Don't get it in our head. Do you want us to sink? May you chicks, you are blowing go dog. Do some work then heavy. Oh, rise the mainsails, turn her around. It's no good on your knee, it's hopeless. Let's all go down with the king. So then act one scene two is here. So Miranda says, Father, did you magic raise this storm at sea? If so, please make it stop. I have done nothing harmful. I have only done what is best for you. You, my dear, who doesn't know anything about where you came from and where you are. I never thought of wanting to know more. It's time I let you know. Give me a handsome hand rooming my magic clocks. Sit down now, I will tell you more. Sometimes you have tried to tell me, but you have always stopped. It's left me wishing you had tell me more. It's time now. 12 years ago, I was a Duke of the Milan, a powerful prince. Okay, which words indicates that Prosperous Miranda fathers no magic? What does he disclose to Miranda? Okay, then Miranda says, "What happened to make us live? Was it good or bad?" She was asking to his father. The father says, "Both wicked things happened to make us live, but we were also lucky. My brother, your uncle, was named Antonius next to you. I loved him more than anyone else in the world. I trusted him to manage my kingdom. I left the business of government to him, but I was so busy reading my books and improving my mind that I neglected everything else." Antony started to think that he was a duke because he was carrying out my duties. That Miranda's father was telling that, so I have given all the things, I have handed over all the things. I loved him more than anyone else in the world. That is my brother, that is your uncle, so was named Antony. I trusted him the managed my kingdom. Okay, I left all the government to him. He is because I'm very busy. I was busy, so reading my books and improving my mind, that neglected everyone else. So now he is the carrying all my duties. Miranda, oh heavens! The king of Naples, an enemy of mine, listening to Antony's, they decide that I and my family should be forced to leave our country. They raised an army and one night opened the gates and hurried us through. So what happened? So one day the thing was seeing all this king of Naples, an enemy of mine. Okay, listen to this Antonio, your uncle, and he was trying to escape all the things from the here and on them. Why didn't they kill you? Fortunately, okay, Gonzalo, a nobleman in charge of getting out of us, gave us some food, fresh waters, fine clothes, and other things to keep us alive out of the kindness of his heart, knowing I loved my books. Gonzalo also gave me books from my library that I prized more than my kingdom. But the daughter asked, why didn't they kill us? Fortunately, it is the things that we have already, knowing that they have given so much of food, fresh water, fine clothes, and other things to keep us alive. And moreover, he has given mooks me to read. It's more than my kingdom. Thanks heavens, I now because I cannot stop thinking about it. What is your reason for making it storm at sea? And she asked, now what is the reason that we are moving further? Only good luck has brought me enemies to us. Ask no more questions. He puts his hand over her eyes. So you feel sleepy. Okay? Come here, servant, come. I am ready now. So approach my else come. So after that, what happened? Her father asked Miranda to stop asking questions now. Now you go and take the rest. So come here, servants. So he called the servants and told to that I am ready now to approach them. Eril, all hails, great masters. I came to answer your call. Be it to fly, the swim, to dive into the fire, or to ride on the cloud. Ares and all his fellow spirits are at your command. Then Prosperous says, Spirit, have you done what I ordered you to do? Okay, so next, this will continue next, my dear friends. So this is all about the story of the things. Again, here, scene 3 is there. Okay, and this is going to end by telling the things. It's very beautiful story, my dear friends. So see, this has written in the year 1611. Okay, means here 400 years ago, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It means for next year, it will be means after this month, it will be like a 400 years ago story. If you are very interested, you can read this kind of stories at your home and all. But there is only one problem is that you people read don't at all, because you are very busy in, so you don't have even, you don't give more interest on your studies only. Then how it is possible to read all the things. Okay, so with the hope and with the beliefs that, so we would like to continue the online class in next class, students. Next class we'll finish this thing. So I hope you understood this lesson story, and we'll conclude now, and we'll continue tomorrow, means in the next class. Thank you so much. See you. Take care.